So this project, we're ripping out all this concrete. We've already started, and all that pile up there is getting removed. There's like a footer going around the outside edge of this old garage here pad. So we're getting everything inside the footer, because the footer probably goes down 48 inches. And yeah, these people are going to have to get a jackhammer or something. Or a mini X out here to get that footer out of here. Unless they want to pay us to do it. But we were just contracted to rip up the concrete on this project. Concrete removal, a big one. We might be putting new concrete in. Talk to the flippers here. These guys are flippers that are doing this house, and they're going to redo all the concrete here. So we started at about 8, and just keep going. Process. We're ripping up. They're putting a new sidewalk in here too. And this is the pile of concrete. This is probably we're just getting everything prepped. So when the dump trailer gets there, we just keep blowing it. But there's a lot of concrete on this one. A little bit of mesh on this stuff here. But there wasn't really, there was no rerod in it, which was great. So it's going to come up nice and easy. We just keep breaking it, dropping it, lifting and dropping it. It'll break into pieces. Pretty thick there. I know he's trying to break it up best you can without using a jackhammer. Like I said, we think that's got the rerod over on the outside edge. You can see like it's breaking up just really to the footer side where these footers go down on this outside edge. We think it was prepped for a garage build, and they just never got to it, but they got the footers in. So that's what we're doing. They're trying to break it up as easy as we can. There you go. That's a good chunk. Good chunk. See, this one's got got the mesh in it. You can see the bottom of it right there. Big chunk. Big chunk. And it's probably connected with that mesh, but it'll fall apart once he lifts it and drops it. Stacking it, get it ready for when the dump trailer gets here. We just go load them up really quick. Just quick and easy concrete removal. Future big new concrete driveway coming in here, and they're shrinking down the garage 5 feet from the eaves. Got to be 5 feet from that property line right here. So they're got to move the garage over like 7 feet. They got to get new footers in here. But that's just a little bit on this project. Nice and quick, easy concrete removal, and probably the concrete pour of the driveway here. It's a biggie. Like us, hit the like button on the page. You can find us all over the internet. Hit us up, any quote you need done. And we're starting to do inside work too now, interior, tile, bathrooms, you name it, we can do it. Give us a call. Exquisite Hardscapes.